In this lesson, we will explore patterns made with natural numbers. We'll use pictures, the number line, and number lists to see patterns. Then we'll practice adding and subtracting three-digit numbers with clear step-by-step examples. Let's begin. First, let's look at patterns made with shapes. Some patterns grow in a predictable way. For example, square numbers grow as 1, 4, 9, 16. Each figure is a square made of dots. We'll draw the first 4 square figures so you can see how the count increases. Notice each figure is a square, and the numbers are perfect squares. 1 equals 1 dot. 4 equals 2 by 2, 9 equals 3 by 3, and 16 equals 4 by 4. So if you are asked for the 5th figure, the pattern tells you it will be 5 by 5, which is 25 dots. Another common shape pattern is triangular numbers, where each figure adds a new row of dots. The counts start 1, 3, 6, 10. Let's draw the first 4 triangular figures so you can see the growth. Triangular numbers follow the rule that the nth triangular number equals n times n plus 1 divided by 2. That's a formula, but visually you can see each figure adds a new row of dots equal to the figure number. Patterns also appear in lists of numbers. A simple example is an arithmetic sequence, where we add the same amount each time. For example, 2, 5, 8, 11. Each time we add 3. Let's plot this on a number line so you can see equal jumps. Start at 2 on the number line, jump 3 to reach 5, jump another 3 to reach 8, then to 11. I'll show these jumps with arrows and label each point. Each jump is the same length, showing a steady increase. Recognizing such regular jumps helps you predict later terms without listing everything. Now, let's use these number skills to practice adding and subtracting three-digit numbers. We'll do 4 examples of addition and 4 examples of subtraction. For each example, we'll stack the numbers like you would on paper and carry or borrow step by step. Addition example 4. Add 783 plus 219. We'll stack the numbers and add from the ones column, carrying when necessary. Subtraction example 4. Subtract 187 from 630. We'll stack the numbers and subtract from the ones column, borrowing if necessary. We've seen visual patterns with shapes and numbers, used the number line to visualize equal jumps, and worked through 4 examples, each of 3-digit addition and subtraction with carrying and borrowing. To practice more, try making your own square or triangular patterns and predict the 10th term, and practice more stacked addition and subtraction problems. Thanks for watching.